Chapter 13 Pronouns. A pronoun is used in the place of a noun. It substitutes the noun in a paragraph or a piece of writing to avoid repetition of the noun. Pronouns can be used in singular and plural forms. Instead of saying, Shalja went to Shalja's house because Shalja's mother wanted Shalja home, one can say, Shalja went to her house because her mother wanted her home. Kinds of pronouns. There are many different types of pronouns that we use in writing and speech. For now, we will briefly look at some of the different types. 1. Personal pronoun. 2. Reflexive pronoun. 3. Interrogative pronouns. 4. Demonstrative pronoun. 5th. Indefinite pronoun. Personal pronouns have two subtypes: subject pronouns and object pronouns. Personal pronoun. It is used to replace the name of a person, place, item, or idea in a sentence. They are used to prevent repetitiveness in sentences to create a smoother flow. When discussing person in terms of the grammar, the following rules apply. First person as in I, second person as in you, third person as in it, he, she. In the table below is a complete set of forms of personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. In the table below is the complete set of forms of personal pronouns. Person, first. Subjective, singular I, plural we. Objective, singular me, plural us. Person, second. Subjective, singular you, plural you. Objective, singular you, plural you. Person, third, male. Subjective, singular he, plural they. Objective, singular him, plural them. Person, third, female. Subjective, singular she, plural they. Objective, singular her, plural them. Person, third, neutral. Subjective, singular it, plural they. Objective, singular it, plural them. Person, first. Determiner, singular my, plural our. Independent, singular mine, plural ours. Person, second. Determiner, singular your, plural your. Independent, singular yours, plural yours. Person, third, male. Determiner, singular his, plural their. Independent, singular his, plural theirs. Person, third, female. Determiner, singular her, plural their. Independent, singular her, plural theirs. Person, third, neutral. Determiner, singular its, plural their. Independent, singular its, plural theirs. Personal pronouns as subject pronouns. When a personal pronoun takes the place of a noun as the subject of a sentence, it is both a personal pronoun and a subject pronoun. What is a subject pronoun? In essence, it's any pronoun that is used to replace a common or proper noun as a sentence's subject. I, you, she, he, it, we, they are used as a subject. For example, she is a designer. It was he who won. Personal pronouns as object pronouns. When a personal pronoun is direct or indirect object of a verb, or when it is used as the object of a preposition, it is called an object pronoun. What is an object pronoun? It's any pronoun that is affected by the action the subject of the sentence takes. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them, they are used as objects. For example, Saroj called him. We consider our friends. Reflexive pronouns. It is used as an object that refers to the same person or thing as the subject. So, it points back to the subject of the sentence. We often use reflexive pronouns when the subject and the object are the same. He wanted to work on it himself. Singular. They must clean up the place themselves. Plural. In the table below, some sets of forms are reflexive pronoun. Person, first. Reflexive, singular, myself. Plural, ourselves. Person, second. Reflexive, singular, yourself. Plural, yourselves. Person, third, male. Reflexive, singular, himself. Plural, themselves. Person, third, female. Reflexive, singular, herself. Plural, themselves. Person, third, neutral. Reflexive, singular, itself. Plural, themselves. Relative pronoun. It is used to introduce relative clauses that describe nouns or other pronouns. This will be easier to understand if we look at some sentences. Find me the book that has money hidden in it. In the above sentence, the word that is a relative pronoun. Remember, a relative clause is a type of a subordinate clause, also known as a dependent clause, which means that it can't stand by itself as a complete sentence. It is a play that you can't miss. The aircraft, which is Boeing, is fairly new. List of relative pronouns. Who, whom, whose, whoever, whomever, which, whichever, that, what, whatever. Relative, proform, subjective, objective, possessor, pronouns. Proform, human, subjective, who, objective, whom, possessor, whose. Proforms, non-human, subjective, what, objective, what, possessor, whose. Relative in headless, proforms, human, subjective, whoever, objective, whoever, possessor, whosoever. Relative, relative clauses, proforms, non-human, subjective, whatever, objective, whatever, possessor, whatsoever. No case, adverbial, place, where, time, when, reason, why. Interrogative pronoun. It is used to ask questions. It normally appears at the start of a question, but it may instead appear in the middle or at the end, depending on the phrasing. A question can also include more than one interrogative pronoun. Like other pronouns, interrogative pronouns are said to have an antecedent. This is the noun or noun phrase that they stand for. The antecedent of an interrogative pronoun is the answer to the question. List of interrogative pronouns: who, whom, whose, what, which. Whom did you invite for the book release? Which fruit would you prefer? Interrogative pronoun: proform, subjective, objective, possessor. Human: who, whom, whose. Non-human: what, whose. Closed set: which, whose. No case: adverbial: place, where, time, when, reason, why. Determiner: manner, instrument, how. General: what. Closet set: which. Demonstrative pronoun: it highlights something that was previously mentioned or that is clear from the context. It points out specific persons, animals, places, things, or ideas. This is my friend Samir. Singular: I like all kinds of chocolates, but these are my favorites. Plural: list of demonstrative pronouns: this, that, these, those. Proximal: nearer. Singular: this. Plural: these. Distal: farther. Singular: that. Plural: those. Indefinite pronoun: they do not refer to any particular person, place, or thing. They replace nouns without specifying which noun they replace. List of indefinite pronouns: singular: another, anybody, anyone, anything, each, either, everybody, everyone, everything. Little, much, neither, nobody, no one, nothing, one, other, somebody, someone, something. Plural: both, few, many, others, several. Singular or plural: all, any, more, most, none, some. Indefinite pronouns that end in one or body are always singular except none. These words include anyone, everyone, someone, one, anybody, somebody, nobody. Universal: human, everyone, everybody, each. Non-human: everything, each, dual. Both: mass, plural, all. Negative parative: human, no one, nobody. Non-human: nothing. Dual: neither. Mass, plural, none. Assertive parative: human, someone, somebody. Non-human: something. Mass, plural, some. Non-assertive parative: human, anyone, anybody. Non-human: anything. Mass, plural, any. Either of them should be good. Singular: few were late for the play. Plural. Antecedent: an antecedent is a noun or noun phrase that precedes the pronoun in the sentence. It informs the reader what or whom the pronoun is referring to. I met a girl who is a juggler. Here, the antecedent of who is a girl.